Hey everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top investments you can make in 2024. Instead of trying to time the market, let's focus on making smart, strategic investments. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. These 5 investment strategies will set you on the path to financial success. Now let's talk about a strategy that's near and dear to my heart: index funds. For most investors, index funds are the most sensible, low-cost way to participate in the stock market. Imagine owning a tiny piece of every successful American company. That's the beauty of index funds. You're not trying to pick the next Apple or Amazon. You're investing in the collective wisdom of the market. Index funds spread your risk across hundreds, even thousands of stocks, so you're not overly reliant on the performance of any single company. And the best part, index funds are incredibly easy to manage. They're like the slow cooker of the investment world. Set it and forget it. Just make regular contributions, reinvest your dividends, and watch your money grow over time. Some folks might call index funds boring, but steady, consistent growth without all the drama and guesswork is exciting. The earlier you start investing in index funds, the more time your money has to compound. It's like that old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is today. So don't wait another day. Start small if you have to, but start today. Your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about an asset class that's as tangible as it is rewarding: real estate. I'm talking about the slow and steady approach to building wealth through real estate, just like laying bricks one by one to create a solid foundation. One of the things I love about real estate is that it can provide multiple streams of income. You've got your rental income, which can cover your mortgage payments and then some. Plus, as property values appreciate over time, you're building equity, like money growing in your sleep. And let's not forget about the tax advantages. Real estate comes with a whole host of tax benefits that can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Beyond the financial benefits, there's something deeply satisfying about owning a piece of land, a tangible asset that you can see and touch. There are plenty of affordable ways to dip your toes into the real estate market, from REITs, real estate investment trusts, to crowdfunding platforms. The key is to do your research, understand the risks involved, and start small. With patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective, you can build a portfolio of income-producing properties that will serve you well for years to come. Now, let's step off the beaten path a bit and explore a more unconventional investment: collectibles. I'm talking about investing in things you're passionate about, things that bring you joy and happen to have the potential to appreciate in value over time. Think vintage cars, rare stamps, antique furniture, fine art, even comic books. The world of collectibles is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. But here's the key: invest in what you know. Develop expertise in a particular niche. Become a student of the market and learn to identify undervalued assets with potential. Investing in collectibles is not for the faint of heart. It requires patience, research, and a keen eye for value. You need to be comfortable with the risks involved and understand that liquidity can be an issue. But for those willing to put in the work, collectibles can be a rewarding and enjoyable way to diversify your portfolio. The joy of owning a piece of history, a work of art, or a rare collectible, that's something money can't buy. It's about surrounding yourself with things you love, things that spark joy and conversation. And if those things happen to appreciate in value over time, well, that's just icing on the cake. Just remember, investing in collectibles should be driven by passion and knowledge, not speculation and greed. Now let's talk about the most important investment you can make: investing in yourself. The greatest asset you have isn't your stock portfolio or your real estate holdings. It's your mind, your skills, and your ability to learn and adapt. Every dollar you invest in your education, your skills, and your personal growth is a dollar invested in your future earning potential. So what does investing in yourself look like? It could mean taking courses to learn new skills, attending industry conferences to expand your network, reading books to broaden your knowledge, or even hiring a coach or mentor to help you reach your full potential. It's about constantly seeking out opportunities to learn, grow, and challenge yourself. This is one investment that no one can ever take away from you. In today's rapidly changing world, the ability to learn, adapt, and reinvent yourself is more valuable than ever before. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So, never stop investing in your education, your skills, and your personal growth. Now let's talk about a powerful yet often overlooked investment strategy: creating and owning intellectual property. In today's knowledge-based economy, your ideas, your creativity, and your unique skills are your most valuable assets. Think about it, what are some of the most successful businesses today built on? Software, patents, copyrights, trademarks, these are all forms of intellectual property. So, how can you tap into the power of intellectual property? It starts with identifying your unique skills, talents, and passions. Once you've identified your strengths, start creating. Write that book, compose that song, develop that app, design that product, whatever it is that sets your soul on fire. And don't forget to protect your creations. Secure those patents, register those copyrights, trademark those brands. These legal protections will help you safeguard your intellectual property and maximize its value. We all have something unique to offer the world, so don't be afraid to share your knowledge, your creativity, and your unique voice with the world. Those are the top investments for 2024. Remember, investing isn't just about picking stocks or buying real estate. It's about making strategic decisions that align with your goals and values. It's about building a solid foundation for your financial future, brick by brick, idea by idea. Whether you choose to invest in index funds, real estate, collectibles, or yourself, remember that the key to successful investing is knowledge, patience, and a long-term perspective. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Your support means a lot to us. While you're at it, subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Got something on your mind? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.